Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I am going to decorate for fall.
Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
So this is my table of all of my fall decor that I have. A few things are new for this year, but most of it is from previous years. This is, oh, I got a fly in here. This is just empty. I've taken everything out of that. I think I'm gonna decorate a little bit differently from last year. Last year I did put a tobacco basket with some pumpkins and things on this table, but I used this table for homeschooling and it was kind of a pain. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do anything with the table, just for practical reasons. But this is all the stuff that we have, and I think I did not use this. I don't believe I ended up using this last year, this pillow, but I'm gonna see what I can do here. I'm most excited about changing my mantle out. So a few videos back I did a shop with me at Hobby Lobby and I got a couple of new things there. I was really wanting to go to Target because I've seen online they have a lot of new things for fall, but I went to our Target in Bluffton and either they don't have anything out yet or it's all sold out already, because I saw a little bit of evidence of like that they had some stuff. There was a little bit left. So I don't know if they've put everything out or if it's already gone. I mean, if it's already gone. I did see sort of like a burgundy eucalyptus that I really wanted to use. It was like a garland, but they didn't have it at my Target. They did have a wreath made of that same eucalyptus and I thought it was really pretty, but I didn't get it because I didn't really need a wreath. So today I'm gonna be concentrating on the inside of my house. I really don't have everything I need for my front porch yet. I still need a rug. And I also want to do like some mums and some actual pumpkins, and it's a little bit early for that. Although by the time this video does go up, it will be September. I think it'll be September 1st the day it goes up. So not super early, but still a little early. Today the high was 90 degrees in Hilton Head, so it's still pretty hot here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of do the easy stuff, the bulk things like these pillows. I'm gonna go ahead and put those out because that will be quick and easy and will give me some space to work with. So I did a recent video where I cleaned out our closet and our guest room upstairs. That's kind of where we store everything. So all of our decorations and just things that we need, but we don't use them every day, we keep stored up there. It's kind of like our attic, but it's inside and it is in a heated and cooled storage space. So what I'm going to be doing is getting rid of anything that I don't use. I do keep my fall decorations relatively minimal. I say relatively because some people don't decorate for fall at all. But I feel like it's relatively minimal for somebody that does actually decorate for fall. So I only do my downstairs main living areas, which is just my living room, dining room, and kitchen. It's kind of scattered around those areas. We don't do any bedrooms or anything like that. And I just don't have a ton of stuff. So I'm just gonna basically take things away that we use year round, put them in my blue tote, which is what I use for fall decor, and I'm gonna put it back upstairs until everything comes down again for Christmas. So I do like to decorate a little bit early for fall because I decorate early for Christmas. So what I like to do is keep the fall decor up in September and October and early November, and then switch to Christmas.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold.
I got this new wreath this year from Home Goods. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my door, even though I'm not really decorating the front porch right now, but I am gonna go ahead and get that up because right now I have summer decor on the porch.
When the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave that
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
just for fun. Some are faster,
So I usually change out my pillows and decorate my mantle, but I also usually decorate this buffet here in my dining room. So I think I'm gonna work on that a little bit and just decide what I want to have on there and you know, just what I wanna have out, because I like to keep this area pretty minimal. I had recently done a video where I got rid of a lot of stuff in the dining room. We had a shelf over here, so I don't want it to be like too fussy, but I'm probably just gonna take a few of these things that we just keep out year round and just replace them with little pops of fall, and just put the other things that we'll use later back in the box. So last year, this tobacco basket I had decorated and put it on my centerpiece for my table, but I think this year I'm gonna try it here instead, because I just really don't want to have to be constantly clearing off my table to do school.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under.
Okay, I think I like this better instead of the tobacco basket. I want to keep this more minimal, and it just didn't feel minimal with the basket and all the stuff in it. And also I feel like those colors tie in really well with that pumpkin. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do anything on the other side where I have the shells and the picture, but for now I think I'm going to leave this alone and just kind of see what else I have for other areas. Oh, I know what I'm missing over here. I'm missing my handprint. So I definitely need to look for my stand. This thing we have used in every single house, no matter where we've lived. It's always been in our dining room since 2015, which is the year that Sophie came home from China. So this is her footprint and Katie's handprint. That was our first big holiday that we had the year that Sophie came home from China. So I definitely have to have that in my dining room, but I gotta find my stand. Okay, I got this new wire wreath, and I think I'm going to put this in my kitchen where I have a like a really summery wreath, so I'm gonna put this above my sink.
There's no time to borrow.
That is not necessarily fall in my opinion, but it is a little less summery. It's more of a year-round, I think, than the purple wreath that I had up there. All right, I'm thinking about possibly using the tobacco basket on my blue table, but I'm also thinking about, instead of having all of this stuff in there, possibly just pulling the pumpkins off and just kind of having pumpkins in there. So I think I'm gonna try that and see what I think about that.
So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round.
Maybe that's a little bit better. I'm gonna try that on the blue table.
Hey, now, you know you have to decide, and you gotta tell me what's on your mind. Wait a while, you gotta take a deep breath. I can make you smile when I...
All right, I decided to keep this area super simple because I want to keep the picture of my grandmother here. I'm just gonna keep the tobacco basket on this table with all the different colored pumpkins, and let that be that. Here's the decor that I have left. I have this sign, which I might put on top of my pantry. I have this, which is new. I was gonna put that in my galvanized vase thing. I got these for the kitchen. This came from Hobby Lobby. I'm probably gonna put that in the kitchen as well. This I have always used on my front porch. I'm probably gonna put that on the front porch. And then I'm gonna go ahead and toss these since I kind of dismantled them to get their pumpkins off. And then I have this little sign here that I have used in my kitchen. And then these two bigger signs. The Happy Fall Y'all, which I've used in my kitchen in the past. And then the Thankful Pumpkin. So not much left. I'm gonna try to see what I can do with these last few things, and then I'm gonna clean up. So I definitely do like to keep my decor really minimal in the kitchen because I don't like it to interfere with like the space that I have to cook, and I don't have a big kitchen anyway. So I think I am going to stick to just maybe changing the stuff out over here, possibly a sign there, but I'm not even sure I'm gonna do that.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string.
Okay, I think this is all I'm gonna do over here. So I added the wheat and then the thankful, grateful, blessed sign. Everything else is the same as always over here. So, all right, so the things I didn't use were these two pillows and this sign, which I'm just a little tired of. I think it's the black and the gold together. I've had this for probably 5 or 6 years, and I bought it it was actually 2 houses ago for our dining room, and I just don't really like it anywhere here. This I'm going to keep. I really do like this a lot, but I just decided to do something different with my mantle this year. This kind of blends in a lot with it because it's a very similar color. I bought this for the mantle at our old house, but I still feel like I can probably come up with an idea for this, so I'm gonna hang on to that. This we used to use on our door instead of a wreath, but it doesn't work great on a door because it beats your door up really badly. So I think I'm gonna let go of this. I can't really come up with a place to use it. So I think for now I'm probably going to get rid of these 2 large pieces that I just don't really have anywhere to put in this house, and probably those 2 pillows. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten everything up really good and clean, and then I'm going to give you kind of like the final reveal. So, you know, when you're putting stuff out, you're kind of making a mess. So now I have all this to clean up, and little bits and pieces over here, some stuff to put up that's like my all year round stuff. And I'm gonna, I think, treat this as trash. I don't really have a use for this. This is where I pull the pumpkins off. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, get all this straightened up, and vacuum the floors, dust everything off, and then I'll show you what everything looks like.
Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no.
enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.